Hi, welcome to Apps and Hats. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Christine, and there's over 200,000 apps now on the App Store, so we are hoping to bring you the best of the best. So what are you looking at today?
Today I'm going to be looking at Voucher Cloud and GreenFlag, Christine.
Thank you, Sarah. And I'm going to be looking at the Game Trail, Here File, and Web Toolbox. You don't want to be seen in public without it. No, just kidding.
I'll take your word for it. Okay, well, Voucher Cloud is an app that you like, Chris, because it will save you lots of money. And I know what Canadians are like. What it does is it uses your location to find out free offers and vouchers round about where you are. And what's particularly nice about it is that you can actually put your favourite places in, press the little star there and it puts it into your favourites, and that's really easy to do. So all the places you like, you can have in your favourites and keep checking in to see if they've got any special offers. But also it's not just food and leisure, it's also retail, so clothes, shoes, bags, not that that's a bit too girly.
Shoes? Did she say shoes?
Shoes, DIY as well for anybody who's not a girly girl. There was a bit of confusion about this app.
Technology?
Yeah, well, I didn't look that far.
Okay.
But there was a bit of confusion about this app because there are some that you do have to pay for, and they're called the premium apps. But it's very clear you will be told if you have to pay, and restrictions come up in big red letters, so you can't miss them. And also there will be restrictions with certain of the vouchers as well, so make sure you check those out. You know, they will only run for a short time, but it will be very clear, so you can't really go wrong. And I think it's a great app. In fact, I used it on Friday myself and got a whocking great 20% off my food bill. So there we go.
How much did you eat?
Well, I'll be telling you.
Okay, the first one I just want to show you is called the Game Trail. And what this app does, really nice and simple, it basically shows you all the little game trailers for iPhone apps. Now this is great because all the other, iPhone app helpers to help you find good apps don't really show the videos, which is so important because then you can see what the game's like and if you like it. So it's really good. It's only the first time it's out, so I think we need to wait for a few updates before, because they don't have that much apps on it just yet. So once their database becomes more full of more apps, it'll be even better. But I do like it as it is now. So I think, and also because it's free.
Oh, I like that. I always like that. Yeah, that's good. So the next one then is GreenFlag. Now I have a particular personal interest in this because I actually broke down myself a couple of weeks ago, but this was before
I had a breakdown? I did not know this.
I did, yeah, I had a breakdown, but it was in a car this time. Anyway, this app has a really cool button called Rescue Me, and what it does is
sings the Supremes.
Rescue me! No, no.
Okay.
Well, you could do that if you break down. But anyway, if you break down and you don't know where you are, which sometimes happens, you're on the motorway, you haven't a clue where you've just broken down, this fabulous little button, you just press it and it shows you exactly where you are.
Don't press it.
No, we can press it now. Look, we can press it now.
Okay.
And it gives you the location where you are. And right at the bottom of the screen is a little button that you can press, and it takes you straight through to the rescue people. And it's fabulous. And this was the first rescue app.
So I'm not a member of GreenFlag. Can I still use the app?
Yeah. You can. You can use it if you're not a member. That's the good thing about it. But obviously you will be charged for the call-out fee, or you can join there and then. What else was I going to say about this? Some people have complained that the calls were too expensive. So what they've updated it recently, and now you can call perfectly free. So it's great, and it's great if you're a woman by yourself.
Yeah, I love when app developers respond to what people are saying.
Yeah,
so
yeah, absolutely.
That's really good. I like that app.
Absolutely. Did you get that?
Oh my God. Okay. Oh, and I'm still on my old app. I want to take you through one called Here File, which is genius. This is a great app. It basically connects to your Mac. So that way you can have access. There's my little icon. I set this one up earlier. It connects straight to my Mac. I can access all my files, directories, exactly as I would as if I was on that Mac. Now, it's just genius. You enter in your password. You do need to have a very small program that you need to download from the site and put it on your computer. That way they kind of connect together. And then, yeah, it basically shows everything as it would. I also use the Mobile Me service, and I do find this to be really responsive, really quick. And I definitely think it's worth the cash. I think you might want to check this one out.
What kind of cash are we talking?
It's close to a tenner, to be honest. But I would put this in a premium app category. It's executed so well. But I think it's groovy.
It sounds good.
Yeah, real winner. And then I'll just quickly take you through one here called Web Toolbox. Sorry, I'm just like speed talking now.
Never mind.
But this one's great too. Of course it's great. And it's for Safari on the iPhone. Now, I don't know, do you surf much on your phone?
A fair amount, yeah.
Okay, well I don't. I find it quite awkward.
It can be a bit slow.
Well, it's,
And a bit small.
Yeah, exactly.
You've got to be, you know.
Yeah, and you're kind of trying to figure out ways to send stuff and things like that.
Yeah.
Whereas what this does is it's got over 70, basically they're bookmarks, they're add-ons for the Safari browser that will make your browsing experience a zillion times better, okay?
Oh.
Not once, a lot better. Basically, although you probably will use it only once, because once you've done the steps that they've described, then yeah, it stays on your browser, which is great. I think it's worth the cash. There's things like you can save a web page to PDF and email it. I mean, it's genius. There's some links, you can tweet it out, the page you're on, send it to your Facebook. So just nice little bookmarks that people really need. It's worth a look at. We're not quite done yet because we've got offers on the offers page and there's some GoDaddy codes you might want to have a look at.
GoDaddy.
Why would they want to have a look at the GoDaddy codes?
Because GoDaddy is the biggest domain registrar in the world.
There
is that
you
right?
go. So basically, check it out. Use the codes. There's codes for your SSL certificates and all sorts of goodies like that. What apps did you look at today then, Sarah?
I'm about to cough. Excuse me. I have a little frog in my throat. I looked at voucher codes and GreenFlag.
Fabulous. And I took you through the game trail, your file, and Web Toolbox. All awesome.
All awesome. Excuse me. I have a little tickle. I'm done dying. I'll try not to die on camera.
And just to say, please get in contact. And also, I also want to say thank you. You've been sending us so many awesome apps.
Some really good ones as well.
We're trying to review as many as we can, so please keep them coming. I love that, so keep them coming.
Yeah.
Okay, and yeah, get in touch. So how can they get in touch?
Email appsandhats.com.
Yeah. Leave a comment on the website.
Yeah.
Or
Twitter.
I do like my Twitter.
Yeah.
So tweet us. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, that's
See
it.
you in 2 weeks' time, folks.
Bye.